Hi, I'm Troy with KillerHeat.com here with just another quick tip. This is from our restoration companies, the pest control companies in our area here as to how they protect the fire sprinklers in hotel rooms and even residential and commercial offices when they're doing heat treatments or heat restoration. It's a pretty simple process that they're using. They get a zip pull down at the local hardware store. It's a pretty simple device. It's got a telescoping pole. It's got a spring-loaded top. On that top, there's a little platform that can go. I normally duct tape that on there so it doesn't just fall off. It makes it a little bit simpler. Let me kind of give you the idea here of what we're going to do. Basically took a 2-quart sports thermos. I put about that much ice in it, leaving enough room for that sprinkler head so you're not going to have any damage from this process. Take your zip pull, put the thermos over the sprinkler head, and you're ready to start heat treating or drying. Now, if you're doing a long term, the restoration guys have showed me this because it seems to work better for the type of times that they're looking at, is they'll actually take a styrofoam chest like this. You've got a good 1.5 inch or so walls on this. They'll put ice in Ziploc bags, 1 gallon or 2.5 gallon Ziploc bags. And the reason they do that is the obvious is that if this thing falls, you don't want to create a new flood. But they'll put that in the bottom here. You got a simple board. I just have a 2x6 here. Put it underneath. Put this over. And again, if that's got ice in there, and again, you make sure that you've got distance, you're not damaging the sprinkler head. The last thing you want to do is create a flood. And then put your zip pull right underneath it. You might even want to put 2, just for stability and because of the weight that you'd be putting on this. Simple solution. Works well. Now, in your area, a couple things you need to look at is what's your fire code. That might be against fire code in your area. So you want to check with your sprinkler maintenance company. See what they recommend. They may have some other solutions. In some areas, they actually remove the sprinklers from the ceiling and cap them during this process. It's up to you as to what to research that as to what needs to happen in your area. But again, this is a quick, easy solution that works for a lot of guys out there in the field. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at KillerHeat.com or send us an email. And thank you.